Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials, your PAN, registered mobile, and active Zerodha login. Once logged into KiteWeb on a desktop, complete the current top challenge so the system verifies you. Navigate to the profile or account settings immediately. Don't wander through menus. Make sure your registered mobile is reachable for SMS OTP or an incoming call as an extra verification. This step proves ownership, and it's required before Zerodha will present the option to remove Totp from your account. Once in security settings, locate the Totp or authenticator entry and click the Remove or Disable action. This triggers a secondary verification. Zerodha sends an SMS OTP or places a verification call to your registered number. Enter that code promptly. After verification, the platform will show a confirmation modal explaining effects and backup options. Read it. Confirm removal, and the system will unregister the Totp token. Keep in mind, removing Totp increases reliance on SMS. After confirming removal, you'll receive an email and a final on-screen message. Make sure the email matches your registered address. If the process fails or you see an error, document the message and contact Zerodha support using chat or call. Provide your client ID and photo ID for verification. If you become locked out, request account recovery and follow the instructions they provide. Support will guide you through identity verification. One tip: if SMSs aren't arriving, check carrier blocks before contacting support to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.